In this video, we're talking about setting up the 32 to 50 millimeter drain cleaning kit. This little mini kit comes with a 6 millimeter flexible shaft. The 6 millimeter flexible shaft is our most flexible shaft. It doesn't have a sleeve bearing. This is a 12 millimeter, for example, and you can see the sleeve bearing is relatively large. So since this kit is meant for smaller diameter pipes, a sleeve bearing of that size would not be suitable. It would get snagged on pretty much every corner. So that's why this shaft doesn't come with a sleeve bearing. As you can see, this is the mini chain that comes with the kit. This is a 50 millimeter pipe, and you can see for scale the size of the chain to the 50 millimeter PVC pipe. This specific chain doesn't have any hard metal tips on it, so this one is meant for PVC pipes, whereas, for example, this one has got hard metal bits on it, much like our X-tip chain. So that one is meant for vitrified clay or PVC pipes, or cast iron pipes. The set comes with the rotator shaft socket. This fits into a 10 millimeter chuck and is connected to your flex shaft using hex screws. Now, basically, the screws fit on. There's three separate points at which the hex screws connect to the shaft. And I'll just demonstrate how we do that now. There we go. Tighten all our hex screws. Done. And you want to keep this space as short as possible, because that will prevent any potential possibility of kinking of your shaft. It doesn't matter how good that flex shaft is, if there is too much exposed area and you hit a solid obstruction, the energy stored up inside the flex shaft would literally be the number one reason for that shaft to kink. Here, for example, is the mini chain, and I'm going to connect it like that, again using my Allen key and my hex screws. There we go. Set up. Done. And basically connect your rotator shaft socket. And you're ready to roll. If you have any questions, please feel free to either WhatsApp me or send me a mail. I'm always interested in talking about these tools. Adios.